come back here. I let it still open.
I always wanted to go to a tropical rainforest. You know how them foggy ones? Like if they had a trail and then you can go to a stream of water, but they be having snakes and stuff and tarantulas being lows. But if they can make one a trail,
You will go?
I would go. And you know how they be foggy, how they be showing it from the top. They got all those trees and they be a little foggy. I don't
They
know.
had a trail of some sort. I'm sure some American tourists come and created their own little paradise.
Yeah, I was okay. I'm gonna go this way.
Mark, please be careful. I cannot say you. I don't have any weapon like this. What the baby saying? You getting bit?
It's probably because we touched on them trees. It's probably a poison ivy.
No, it's mosquitoes who just landed on me.
Okay, guys, I got a spider web on me. For sure. Now, I don't know if you guys can see that black dot. That black dot appears to be a spider. But let me let y'all enjoy the nice scenery of the place. Vibe, enjoy it. I got my running shoes on so their grip is nice. So I'm not gonna fall into the water or anything unless I trip and roll. Okay, I'm not gonna do a lot of talking because this is like a trail. So like a little creek. I'm gonna go inside this flowing water, and from that point on, there's gonna be no talking. Enjoy the sounds of nature. All right, here we go.
Jamar?
Yeah, mama, never be afraid to get a little low.
Okay, you're gonna get low on your back.
Okay, and almost.
Walk on that water, you're gonna be slippery. Your rocks are slippery. You're about to for me. Come on. Oh, you can